If we allow our children, our people, to get malnutrited, it means that these people will not be productive at all. And for a county, and even the world all over, for people to be productive, they must be healthy.
Concerned that the person living with HIV and AIDS and the children born of parents living with HIV and AIDS are faced with myriads of challenges. Amongst them, the lack of proper nutrition, which lowers the immunity levels. Further concerned that in the recent past, Kenya has been faced with a stalemate on the distribution of antiretroviral drugs, that is ARVs, further complicating the fight against HIV and AIDS and the war against the emergent COVID-19. Appreciating that the county government under the Department of Health Services has a duty and responsibility to offer social cushions to the persons living with HIV and AIDS and the children born to parents living with HIV and AIDS to boost their immunity. Now, therefore, this House does resolve, 1, that the county government through the Department of Health Services does formulate a program to offer and distribute food and food supplements to all needy persons living with HIV to boost their immunity. B, that the county government through the Department of Health Services does formulate a program to offer and distribute nutritional supplements, otherwise known as the Children Fortified Formula, to the children born of parents living with HIV and AIDS. And C, the Department of Education does initiate the program of provisions of fortified porridge to pre-primary pupils as envisaged in the previous resolution of this House. As many as of similar opinions say aye. As many as of contrary opinions say nay. The ayes have it, and the motion is taken and approved. And the same resolutions will be forwarded to the Health Department to do the